Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please do consider clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and to comment down below. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. As always, I highly appreciate it. So in today's video, I am trying out a new recipe, well, at least new to me. This is a recipe that I got on TikTok, and I will write the name of the I will just put the handle of the page, and you guys can go to that page if you want the recipe and basically the whole method, how you make it from start to finish. So yeah, I got this recipe on TikTok and I wasn't really sure, but I just told myself, let me just trust the process, even though I've heard some people saying that a lot of hacks, tricks and hacks and recipes from TikTok don't necessarily work. But I was like, let me try it out for myself and see. So it worked out in the end, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Let me show you how. If you look on there now, flow, I can help.
I don't think I mentioned what I was making. So this recipe that I got from TikTok is actually for pita. Is it pita bread or is it just pita pockets? Because in the end, when you fry them or cook them, they're supposed to rise in the pan, and all of that air that oh my gosh, how do I put it? So it needs to form some kind of a bowl. Like when you put it in the pan, it needs to rise and just have some air, and that creates a pocket. So yeah, that pocket, after it's ready, you cut it in half and then you just fill it with whichever or whatever filling that you like. And I'm gonna be filling it with some chicken, um, some fried chicken, tomatoes, and lettuce, but I will show you guys how I made the chicken. this recipe is so easy to make. It's beginner friendly. If you've never experienced with like baking or using flour and yeast, or maybe like exploring with bread and those type of recipes, it's really beginner friendly. I think the only challenge that you might have if you're someone who's never baked is the kneading part, because you really need to knead the dough in order to activate the gluten. So yeah, that's about the only tricky part. I think I kneaded this dough for about, I don't know, anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes. And then it was nice and ready to rest. And it really depends on how warm your kitchen is or wherever you're making the dough. I think mine took about 30 minutes to rise. So, yeah, it really depends. And then once it just doubles in size, that's all that you're looking for. It needs to double in size before you can form those little balls. You'll divide it into eight and then form those little balls and then roll them out and fry them in the pan. Okay, so I just gave him his plate and he approves. So I guess I'm gonna be making it again soon, and I hope this time it will, you know, create or form that ball in the pan so that I don't have to open the pitas manually. But yeah, as long as Happy approves, I am happy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a fantastic week. Bye.